I've got 300 subscribers. And thank you so much, guys. It's significant number for me. I don't know. I don't know what is the English, but yeah, thank you so much. And it's like 4 buses full of passenger that likes me, subscribing me. Thank you so much, everybody. And yeah, I wish that by next year it will make grow my followers. And yeah, to I hope my dreams will become true because of you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, and yeah, and my top 1 viewers and subscribers, it is my country, the Philippines. Thank you so much. To be followed by India, Indonesia, there's something in the US, Ukraine. Thank you so much, guys. And yeah, peace. I want peace. We want peace. Goodbye.